In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word. We'll do this using Word on the web and the built-in Office add-in store so you can get grammar and spelling suggestions right where you write. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Microsoft Word, then press Enter. In the results, click the official Microsoft Word site from Microsoft. That takes you to Word Online. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account so you can create and edit documents. Once you're in, choose Create to open a new blank document. With the document open, look toward the upper right of the Word toolbar for the Add-ins option. Click Add-ins to open the Office Add-ins store. This is where you can safely extend Word with trusted tools. In the Add-ins window, use the search box to type Grammarly. When Grammarly for Microsoft Word appears, select it and click Add. If a confirmation pops up, confirm to continue. Now give it a moment to load. The first load can take a little time depending on your connection, so don't worry if nothing happens for a few seconds. Next, follow any on-screen prompts to grant permissions. Grammarly needs limited access to your document so it can analyze text and provide suggestions. If you're asked to allow permissions, choose Allow. You may also be prompted to sign in to your Grammarly account so your settings carry over. After the add-in finishes loading, you're ready to use it. Place your cursor in the document and start typing. Grammarly will automatically check your writing as you go, underlining potential issues like spelling, grammar, and clarity. Click an underline to open a suggestion, then choose to accept, dismiss, or learn more. If you don't see Grammarly, click Add-ins again to open it. From now on, Grammarly will be available in Word on the web for this account, and you can access it the same way whenever you create a new document. And that's all there is to it. You've added Grammarly to Microsoft Word, given it time to load, granted the necessary permissions, and confirmed it's checking your text automatically. Enjoy clearer writing with less effort.